Hey guys, welcome back. In the last episode I printed the chassis and some test tires. It's time to make this car come alive with electronics and coding. Before I start messing around with wires, let me show you what I think each part does. This is the ESP32. From what I know, it's like the brain of the car, and later I will try to control it with my phone. Here's the motor driver. I'm pretty sure this tells the DC motors when to go forward or backward. And this tiny one is the servo. That's for steering. And here is the buck converter. It's supposed to keep the voltage safe for ESP32 and the servo. Okay, the wiring is done, but it is only one thing. We still need to do the coding. I have zero experience with coding, but I'm going to ask my friend ChatGPT to help me in this one. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a simple code for controlling two DC motors with a motor driver and a servo for steering. Then I will upload it to the ESP32. Okay, it's good, at least it is moving. Okay, now the problem is I don't have enough space on my chassis to put all of these electronic parts together. So I have to print some parts to put all of these electronic parts together. For example, I need to bring these batteries a little up. Maybe I install it here. So I need to print one part with my 3D printer to keep these batteries here.